welcome to 399 Tillman Pass in the lovely community, the Easley in Woodstock, a Toll Brothers new construction collection of homes. My name is Cecily Simmons. I want to thank you for returning to my channel. And if you or anybody you know is interested in buying or selling property in Atlanta and the greater surrounding areas, please reach out to me. My contact info can be found in the description box below this video. Now, although the Easley is a new construction community, you'll find that it has a lot of natural elements. I mean, listen to the birds singing us into the tour. I even saw 4 wild turkeys on the drive up. Let's go inside. Now, this is a gorgeously crafted modern farmhouse style home with a well-landscaped front yard and a 2-car garage. And this home has a total of 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and 1 half bathroom. Additional features for this home include a wonderful oversized master suite, complete with a double vanity, a separate tub and shower, with a sit-in area inside the shower, wonderful marble cabinetry, a breakfast bar, white cabinets, a kitchen island walk-in pantry, stone countertops, and illustrious views to the family room. You'll find that this is an open concept home, complete with an additional loft living space. This home sits wonderfully positioned at the center of the cul-de-sac, and the list price for this home is $1 million. Local schools that service the area where this home is located are Little River Elementary, Mill Creek Middle School, and River Ridge High School. Make sure that you like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you're ready to make an offer after this tour, make sure you locate my info in the description box and reach out to me so that I can help you get in this home before it goes fast. Well, without further ado, enjoy your tour. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed your tour with me of 399 Tillman Pass in Woodstock. If you'd like to make an offer on this property or any other properties in Atlanta and the surrounding areas, reach out to me. I can help you get into the property of your dreams with ease and peace of mind. All of my contact info you'll find in the description box below this video. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, as it helps me grow. I've enjoyed sharing another beautiful property tour with you, and please reach out to me or tell a friend to tell a friend that Cecily the Realtor can help you achieve big goals in real estate.